they were putting together the armrests. They just come pretty basic. You gotta put it together. Comes with all this stuff here. So they don't tell you how to do it. I wound up stapling that first. I'm gonna pull the staples out. And I riveted that corner in there. This gets hidden by the door. So all that'll be hidden. These staples will be out of there. So here's the armrest. You had to sew it up. Got a whole bunch of crisscrosses there. They didn't give any instructions, so this is the best we come up with. So I guess that lines up. Sort of. They don't tell you what screw to go with, but you can go with this here. It says size 6, 1/2 inch long. Just gonna put it in and see what it does. Well, it's a completed door handle. Apparently this goes on. I think it's gonna look pretty good. You'd have to take it off and look upside down and all that. See the screw ups, but they look good. Well, there it is. Apparently I need door panels, but I don't know, they can wait.